Hey, it's Brad with Splash Damage Tech back at it again with another quick unboxing. This time I've got another tablet and another Kindle. It's the Amazon Kindle Fire HD 8. This mid-sized device is on sale right now for $60, so I had to pick one up to test it out. So let's get it out of the box. Let's start with what comes in the box. First thing you'll see is the tablet, on the same tray style packaging as any other Kindle Fire device. Then out comes the same microUSB cable. Interestingly, this looks like the exact same wall charger as the Kindle Fire 7, a 5-volt 1-amp charger. And now we've got the usual info cards, and that's all. After we've got the Fire HD 8 out of the plastic wrap, we can take a look around. On the bottom, there's nothing at all. On the right is a covered microSD card slot. On the left side this time, there are two stereo speakers, just like the Fire HD 10. Up on top, we've got the power button, the microUSB input for charging and data, a microphone, the 3.5mm headset jack, and the volume rocker. On the back is the 2-megapixel or 1.9-megapixel rear-facing camera, and some regulatory information with an Amazon logo. On the front, all you can see is the 1.9-megapixel front-facing camera. So let's power it up and check out the specs. The Kindle Fire HD 8 is running the newest Fire OS 6.3.0.1, and that's Android 7.1.2 Nougat. This hardware is going to look a bit familiar as well. It's the MediaTek MT8163. That's a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 running at a maximum of 1.3 GHz. The onboard GPU is a Mali T720. This system on a chip is actually the same one that's powering the new Nook Tablet 7-inch, except that here it's paired with 1.5 GB of RAM as opposed to 1 GB in the Nook. The onboard storage is 16 GB with 9.23 GB free on first boot. It also has that hidden microSD card slot. The screen is an 8-inch IPS LCD with a resolution of 1280 by 800. Wi-Fi is pretty good, just like the rest of these devices, with 802.11 A, B, G, and N dual band, so that's both 2.4 and 5 GHz support, and the Bluetooth is 4.0. The tablet has two cameras. The front camera is a 1.9 megapixel this time and can shoot video at a maximum of 720p, and this looks like one of the best front-facing cameras on any of these devices I've tested so far. The rear camera is also 1.9 megapixel and can shoot in 720p as well. There are two stereo left-facing speakers in portrait mode, and these of course are downward-firing speakers if the tablet's held in landscape mode. The battery is listed as 4,750 mAh. Right out of the box, on first boot, I did get another update, but this one didn't take very long, only about 10 minutes. And after that, I jumped right into the UI, I installed an app, and I moved around the UI. This Fire HD 8 definitely feels like a step up from the Fire 7. It doesn't seem to be slowed down as much by Amazon's custom UI here, and the advantages of the newer Android Nougat-based Fire OS 6 seem apparent. The menus are more straightforward, and the UI seems more responsive. With these specs, the newer Cortex A53s, the Mali T720, and the extra half a gigabyte of RAM, this is to be expected. This is looking positive for the Fire HD 8, which right now is going for just $59.99, which is a limited time offer from Amazon. That puts it only $10 more than the Fire 7 at the current moment. That extra $10 gets you a newer, faster processor and GPU, a little bit of extra RAM, a slightly bigger screen with a higher resolution, stereo speakers, a larger battery, and a much nicer front-facing camera. If you're in the market right now for a new small tablet and you've got your heart set on a Kindle device, spend that extra $10 and get the Fire HD8. Well, that's all for this short unboxing of the Kindle Fire HD8. If you found this useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more about this Amazon Kindle Fire HD8, or any other Kindle or Nook device really. I've got some benchmarks coming up next for this tablet, and that'll be followed by some of those comparisons. That's all for this one though, so thanks for watching and have a great day.